What's going on, everybody? Ladies and gentlemen, SimplyPops here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be testing out the performance on iOS 13 versus iOS 12. Apple claimed this to be faster than iOS 12, which is amazing. iOS 12 is pretty fast already, so it's like, how can it be faster than that? So we're going to put that to the test right now. Be aware this is beta 1. It's only should be hopefully getting better from here on out. Now I only have one device running iOS 13. My other device is jailbroken. I don't want to lose my jailbreak. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a split screen. So I'm gonna have iOS 13 right now, and then I'm gonna downgrade back to iOS 12 just to give you guys this test. So I'm going to be clearing off all my apps in the background, so that's cleared. So there's no apps running currently, so that's a more fair test. I'm going to do the same thing on iOS 12, and we're going to launch up some Apple apps first, then we're going to launch up some third-party apps second, and then we're going to download an app, and then we're going to do the Geekbench, and then we're going to do the GPU performance test to see if there's an improvement. So I'm going to launch up the Mail application in 3, 2, 1. Look, ready. Calendar, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. All right. Camera. And then we have the clock. I'm not even going to touch my maps. So everything is nice and zippy. It's fast. It's ready as soon as you launch it up. Now, web-based apps are going to take some time depending on your internet connection. The App Store. Okay. Books. Health. Okay. Yeah, I even miss Apple TV. Okay. Now, let's launch up the Settings app. Okay, we're ready to go. Okay, we have Safari, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Launch up the calculator. Ready to go. Apple Watch. Good. Alright, so let's move on to third-party apps. We're going to launch up YouTube. We're going to launch up LifeX. This is my light bulb app. Okay. Instagram. Okay, shout out to Kim Kardashian. Twitter. Okay. We have the SubCount app. So this is how many subscribers we have currently. I'm going to launch up some intensive applications. So we have Asphalt. Now this is a very, very intensive app. And voila, it just crashed. So I guess it's just not iOS. Yeah, so Asphalt is just crashing. So let me test it out one more time. Yeah, it is just crashing. So let's test out PUBG. PUBG probably gonna have some trouble too. Okay. I can move it this way so you guys can see. Okay, so it's gonna say reset. It's definitely gonna work. Okay, and that's PUBG. We're gonna try this silly little game. You know those YouTube ads, you know, they showcase like game and it's like, I want to try that, I could do that. And I downloaded it. So yeah, it's just a cheesy little game. You just gotta mark up all the, what I turn, yeah, there we go. Hey, I just finished it. Alright, so now time to install some applications. So I'm going to launch the App Store. I'm going to see, I don't know what's a good game to get. What's this popular games? We're just going to download this Family Guy freaking mobile game. Okay, going to the app. We're going to zoom this in. And just like that. And just like that, all done. Alright, so this is like 200 megabytes. Not too bad. When I was a little kid, I downloaded this game because I was so excited. You know, Grand Theft Auto on iPhone, that was pretty big at the time. I'm waiting for Grand Theft Auto 4 to make it on iOS, but let's just watch this thing install or download. And there it goes. Alright, so let's install Mobile Legends. Let's see how fast. This is only 188 megabytes. And there it goes. So this thing is installing pretty fast and downloading, so yeah, it looks promising, to be honest with you guys. But moving on from there, I'm gonna be testing out the Geekbench, even though I did that on the last video, but we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna leave all applications running because in the realistic scenario, that's just how your phone is gonna be. You're always gonna have apps running in the background. Now the last test, June 3rd, which was yesterday, this is the score I got. So I'm probably gonna get some similar scores. On this test, I had closed out all applications running in the background, but this time we're gonna have applications running in the background. So yeah, so it's a fair test. And there you have it. The single core score 4,272. The multi-core score 10,520. And I always like to take a little screenshot. Now this is with my applications running in the background, and this is the last score. So yeah, kind of went down a little bit, and I guess because the applications running in the background. Alright, and last but not least, we're gonna run the AnTuTu benchmark. Yeah, we're gonna close out all applications for this one. This was from the last time I tested out, so we're gonna test again. And yeah, let the games begin. And ladies and gentlemen, it is all done. So the CPU, you guys can see 73,650. Then we have the GPU score, so the higher the number, the better the performance. But overall, this is the overall score here. So we have 194,182. So I'm gonna downgrade this iPhone right now, and we're gonna put it to the test. The things I do for you guys is crazy, man, because iOS 13 it's a pain to install. It should be a lot easier now because it should be less traffic as the days go on, but hey, I'm doing it for you guys. So make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new around there with notifications on. And of course, when iOS 13 officially drops in September or in the fall time, like Apple said, then I'm going to be making a follow-up video and doing everything all over again, essentially. And also, I'm going to do a performance test on the iPhone 7 because I believe the iPhone 7 is the most popular iPhone right now. It might even be the iPhone 10, but I think a lot of people have an iPhone 7. It's a little bit popular. So I'm going to buy an iPhone 7 just to test out iOS 13. But I'm going to test it out when iOS 13 drops in fall. 9 times out of 10 it's coming out in September. But they said fall. So who knows.